Today I am going to explain you about Python Quick Start. Actually, what is a Python? Python is an interrupted programming language. This means that if we write a Python file in any text editor and put those files into the Python interrupter, the result of the file is executed on the server. Okay, now let's see what is the way to run a Python file on the command line. The way to run a Python file on the command line is like this. C user your name. Your name means that the username of the PC. If you are local account, just enter the C user. Python hello world py is the name of your Python file. Now let's write our first Python file called hello world py, which can be done in any text editor. Now open your file hello world py and write this code in the file. After writing this code in the file, now simply save your file to any drive of your PC or laptop. Okay, now open your command line and you should navigate to the directory. Directory is nothing but the drive where you saved your Python file called hello world py. Now after directing your file in the command line, you should run your file. After running the file, the outcomes comes as hello world. Hello world, the outcome of the file of your file called hello world py. Whenever we are done in the Python command line, you can simply type the code exit brackets to exit your Python line interface. Thanks for visiting our channel. If you like, please like, share and subscribe.